how to turn on or turn off camera, settings to keep, portrait zoom on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in camera, tap on the settings icon at the top corner. Next, we scroll down and then tap on settings to keep. Now in here, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on portrait zoom. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on the portrait zoom settings to keep. In here, say keep the zoom you last used for rear camera portrait mode instead of always starting in the default zoom. And that's it. Once you have made your selection, tap on the back key twice to go back to your camera. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.